Hey friends, welcome back. I am glad you are here. Today, I'm going to give you 5 things that sellers need to know before you put your home on the market. Welcome back. I'm Jennie Hendricks. Thanks for joining me again. I'm going to give you 5 tips for sellers who want to put their home on the market right now, because even in this climate of low inventory and high demand, there are some pitfalls, and I'm going to help you avoid them. Number 1, don't take this seller's market for granted. You still need to have the right agent helping you. If you're in the Southern Utah market, of course that is me. If you're not in the Southern Utah market, I can help get you to somebody who is fabulous. Now, the reason this is important is the home still needs to be marketed correctly, right? I'll give you an example. I was recently working with some amazing buyers, and we went to a home that was listed by a broker who does not live in this area. In fact, he was based out of LA. He had never been to the home, never been to Cedar City, and didn't even have it on our local MLS here. It was listed on an MLS that's about 250 miles north of us. The home was about $25,000 underpriced. So these poor sellers had no idea that their home just was not being correctly marketed. Choosing the right agent is a big deal. Tip number 2, be realistic about your home. Don't get caught up in the emotion of it and the excitement of the market. You still need to do the basics. Really important to go back to the basics. You need to check out your curb appeal. What does a buyer see when they first drive up, when they walk up to the front door? Always important to declutter. We've talked about that. And consider staging some rooms. I did a deep dive into how to prepare your home for sale. So if you want to take a look at that video, there's some great information there. Tip number 3, be transparent and thorough in your disclosures. It's really crucial for the sellers to disclose anything and everything that could be perceived as an issue. If you have had some repairs done, maybe you had a leak and it was fixed, still needs to be disclosed that there was a problem and how it has been fixed. Any current issues also should obviously be properly disclosed. Buyers really appreciate the transparency and honesty. It just is going to make for a much better transaction and experience for everyone. Tip number 4, know where you're going to go. It really is necessary in this market to have that conversation with your agent. Talk through that process to come up with a strategy for listing your house, selling your house, and then figuring out where you're going to go next. What does the timing of your market look like? Will you be able to purchase a home with a contingency to sell the home that you have on the market? Do you need to get a good lender involved early and get that communication stream going? Really important to work through these scenarios early in the process so you know what to expect in the market that you're selling in, as well as the market that you're going to. Tip number 5, be ready to make a move. Be ready to make a decision. In the market that we are in, sometimes these offers are coming in really, really quickly. So understand that this whole process may be a little bit faster than you've experienced before, maybe a little bit quicker as far as the timelines. Talk through your priorities with your agent. Make sure that your agent understands what is important to you and your timeline, so you are prepared to analyze those offers with your agent and pick the one that is going to be the best fit for you. It really is a great time to be a seller. So make sure you've got a good agent representing you to help maximize everything that this market has to offer. As always, let me know if I can be a resource for you. Subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time.